Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be re-uploading this garlic pimento naan recipe. This one was a really delicious and easy recipe and you all requested that I replace it on the channel. So let's jump into this one. Let me show you how easy this one is to make, and it's perfect for the upcoming Diwali season. To start this recipe, I'm going to add all of my dry ingredients to my flour. Give that a mix to distribute those ingredients. Add in your plain yogurt. You can use low fat, full fat, and ghee, or you can use some really rich butter like Kerrygold butter. You want to mix that in really well, and then we'll go in with lukewarm water to bring this together. Now you want to add your water a little at a time until it comes together into a medium to soft dough. You don't want to add too much water where it gets very, very soft. So once the dough starts to come together, continue to knead it well until it's really smooth, punching down, turning over. Knead it until it's really smooth and that gluten forms. Then you'll make it into a dough ball and cover it with a damp cloth, tea towel, paper towel, or plastic wrap and set aside to rest for 20 minutes. Next, let's make our garlic pimento butter. So I'm using Kerrygold butter, and in goes pimento and garlic. And also we're going to go in with some chopped parsley. You can use chopped cilantro or culantro, or as we say in Trinidad, shadobeni. Give that a mix. And this is salted butter, so you don't have to add any salt. And set this aside. Now that the dough has finished rested, we're going to punch down on the dough to release the gas. And now we're going to be breaking this into small dough balls. I'm going for about a 2-inch ball because I want the naan pretty small. The bigger you break the dough ball, the bigger the naan will be. This dough also makes a great sada roti. If you guys want to try that, a really nice, delicious, soft sada roti. So we're going to lightly flour our surface and roll out all of the pieces of dough balls. And that way when we start to cook, we don't have to stop to roll out. You're going to place a pan on medium heat. I'm just going to add a little butter to this. You don't have to if it's a non-stick pan. This is non-stick, but I just wanted to add a little butter to it. So it's totally optional. Place in your naan and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's golden brown on both sides. Flip it over as it starts to brown and allow it to continue to brown. Now once it's done, you're going to remove it, place it on a plate, and then taking that butter, pimento, garlic mixture that we made, you're going to place it or brush it all over the naan. Feel free to add as much or as little of this as you want. And if you wanted to skip this step and not add the butter, you can totally omit that. But it's not really going to absorb into the naan like it would when it has the butter. So now all you have to do is dip into your favorite side. Here I have butter chicken, and enjoy. So I hope you guys try this recipe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.